Welcome to Session 34 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study inverse functions in depth. The focus is to find inverses, restrict domains when needed, and verify inverse relationships by composition. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Reverse a rule by swapping x and y. 2. Restrict domains when a function is not one-to-one. 3. Check inverse relationships by composition. An inverse function reverses the original rule, but not every function has an inverse function on its full domain. To find an inverse, write y equals f of x, swap x and y, solve for y, and then check the domain and range. If the original function is not one-to-one, restrict the domain first. Let f of x equal x minus 2 squared with domain x greater than or equal to 2. Write y equals x minus 2 squared, swap variables, and solve. Because the original domain keeps the right half of the parabola, take the positive square root. The inverse is 2 plus the square root of x, with domain x greater than or equal to 0. Without the restriction x greater than or equal to 2, the quadratic fails the horizontal line test. For example, inputs 1 and 3 both produce output 1. An inverse function cannot decide which input to return. Your turn. Find the inverse of f of x equals x minus 9. Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line. Then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Inverse functions reverse input and output. The swap and solve method finds inverse rules. Domain restrictions may be needed for one-to-one behavior. Composition verifies inverse relationships. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.